How to fix startup repair couldn't repair your PC. Hello everyone, welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix the automatic repair on your Windows. But before we get started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing that you need to do here is go ahead and tap on the advanced option. And once you do that, you'll be taken to this page where you have to select troubleshoot. So just tap on troubleshoot, and then from here you just tap on advanced option again, and you'll have to fix it with the startup repair. So once you tap on startup repair, it will fix all of the problems on the Windows that keeps Windows from loading. So it will automatically fix the problem, and it will show you the screen like diagnosing your PC. And if it still does not fixes your problem, then you'll have to use the CMD to fix your problems. So go ahead and tap on advanced option again, then tap on troubleshoot, and now from here head over to advanced option again. Now right at the bottom you'll see command prompt. Just tap on that and it will open up your command prompt right here. And once your command prompt is open, you are going to type in this command first, which is bootrec / fix mbr. So you're just going to type in bootrec and then space, then slash and fix mbr. Then the operation will be completed successfully. Now the other command you are going to type in is bootrec / fix boot. Then after this is done, what you're going to do is type in bootrec space and then slash scan os. And once you have done that, it will take a while to complete the process. And finally, you're going to type in to check your disk. So type in chkdsk and then space fs /f/r and then space and c colon. You will find all of these on the description. So once you have done that, it will start examining your files, and after this your problem should be fixed. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.